Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Paw Protectors is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your furry friend, especially if they love to explore the great outdoors. Whether it's scorching pavement, icy sidewalks, or rough terrain, protecting your dog's paws is crucial for their comfort and safety. In this video, we'll dive into the world of paw protection, exploring the best options to keep your canine companion's paws healthy and happy. Number 5. Natural Dog Company PawTection Balm. Are winter walks a worry? This balm is designed to protect your dog's paws from snow, ice, and salt. It creates a protective barrier to keep their paws comfortable and healthy. Apply a thin layer of this balm 10 to 15 minutes before heading out. This helps create a barrier against harsh surfaces like ice and snow. Reapply as needed during extended cold weather exposure. This balm uses a blend of waxes to create a durable, breathable barrier. It helps protect against cold pavement and retains moisture in winter conditions. This helps keep their paws in good shape. Made with natural, pet-safe ingredients, it's safe if licked. You can use it daily without worry, giving you peace of mind during your winter walks. It's a great way to care for your dog's paws. Cold air can dry out paw pads. This balm helps maintain moisture, supporting flexible and resilient paws. It reduces dryness from snow and ice exposure, keeping them happy. Perfect for dogs walking on icy sidewalks or salted roads. It minimizes contact with harsh surfaces, supporting comfortable movement. This helps them enjoy their winter adventures. Suitable for all breeds and sizes, from city dogs to winter adventurers. It fits seamlessly into your daily winter paw care routine. This makes it easy to protect your dog's paws. What we like. This balm creates a protective wax barrier, shielding paws from harsh elements like ice and salt. It's made with lick-safe ingredients, so you don't have to worry. If you have a dog that loves winter walks or outdoor adventures, this is a great choice to keep their paws healthy and comfortable. What people say. The boots are easy to put on. They stay on well. The boots are waterproof. Number 4. MUSHER'S Secret Dog Paw Wax 454G. Introducing MUSHER'S Secret, an all-natural paw wax. It's made with food-grade ingredients, so it's safe even if your dog licks it. This balm is perfect for protecting sensitive paws. This invisible barrier shields against harsh conditions. It's great for snow, hot pavement, and rough terrains. Keep your dog's paws healthy year-round with this product. MUSHER'S Secret isn't just for dogs, it's safe for many animals. You can use it on cats, chickens, and even horses. It's a must-have for any animal first aid kit. This wax soothes and heals dry, cracked paws. It's made with moisturizing oils and waxes. You can even apply it to hot spots and cuts. This product comes from a family-owned business in Canada. Originally created for Canadian sled dogs, it's designed to be highly effective. Now, you can share this secret with your pets. What we like. This product uses all-natural ingredients to create an invisible shield, protecting against various terrains and seasons. It also moisturizes and heals dry, cracked paws. If you are looking for a versatile solution that works year-round, this is a great option to consider. What people say. After only 2 days of use, we noticed a big improvement in our dog's pads. This product has the consistency I would compare to chapstick. Not greasy or gooey. No need for cleanup. MUSHER'S Secret comes in a round container and quickly melts from the heat of your fingers, so it applies smoothly and easily to your dog's paws. Number 3. BEAUTYZOO Anti-Slip Dog Socks. Introducing these socks, designed to keep your dog's paws safe and comfortable. They are perfect for hot or cold surfaces, providing protection from the elements. These socks are a must-have for any dog owner. Made from a blend of cotton and polyester, these socks offer the perfect amount of stretch. The soft and breathable fabric ensures your dog's paws stay protected from heat and sharp objects. They are built to last through years of wear and washing. Before purchasing, measure your pet's paw. If the size is between 2 sizes, it's better to choose the smaller size. These socks are made of elastic fabric. Make sure your dog is on paper when measuring. These socks feature a 3-sided non-slip rubber sole for excellent grip. They are ideal for hardwood floors, preventing slips and falls. They also help heal foot wounds and prevent licking. These socks are designed to stay on, especially for long-legged dogs. Each sock includes an adjustable and removable belt. You can adjust the tightness to prevent them from falling off during walks or runs. Each pack includes 6 socks, with 2 extras for replacement. This ensures you always have a fresh pair for your pet. These socks are suitable for most dog breeds. What we like. These socks feature an anti-slip design for better grip on floors and are made from durable, breathable material. They also help prevent licking and protect paws. If you like the idea of protecting your floors and aiding in the healing of paw wounds, these socks are a perfect choice. What people say. They work very well with getting up and down on tile, no more Bambi splits. The socks fit tight and my dog cannot get them off. She wears them outside in very cold temps and her feet don't freeze in the snow. Number 2. Natureland Organic Paw Wax for Dogs and Cats. Does your pet enjoy outdoor adventures? This paw wax creates an invisible shield, protecting their paws from snow, sand, and rough terrain. It helps reduce discomfort caused by dry or chapped pads. This wax is perfect for pets with sensitive paws. It provides a thin, mess-free layer that retains moisture. This layered protection keeps their paws healthy and comfortable. The formula includes aloe vera, beeswax, shea butter, and vitamin E. These natural ingredients keep their paws soft throughout the year, regardless of the season. It's gentle yet effective. This paw wax is made with natural and organic ingredients, so it won't stain your carpets or clothes. It conditions their paws while they play and enjoy their outdoor activities. If your dog loves hiking, playing in the snow, or visiting the beach, this paw wax is essential. It's a smart choice for those rugged dogs who love to explore the world with you. What we like. This paw wax creates an invisible shield to protect and moisturize your pet's paws. It's safe for both indoor and outdoor use. If you have an active dog that loves to play outside, this wax will keep their paws protected and comfortable. What people say. It's made with organic, pet-safe ingredients, so I never worry when they lick their paws after application. It not only prevents cracking and dryness, but also helps heal existing rough spots, especially during winter and hot summer days. The texture is smooth and balm-like, not sticky, and absorbs quickly. A small amount covers a lot. Number 1. Leopong Dog Paw Care Kit. This kit is designed to keep your dog's paws clean and healthy. It includes everything you need for paw care, making it easy to maintain your pet's well-being. The natural formula provides quick and effective cleaning. Gently massage the cleaner onto the paws and wipe them with the included towel. This helps keep them clean and comfortable. The paw cleaner is made with natural plant ingredients, including coconut extract. These ingredients moisturize and maintain the pH balance of the paws, protecting their natural oils. It's safe for pets and vegetarian. The Lick Safe Balm moisturizes, soothes, and protects. Apply it directly to your pet's paws or nose for extra moisture. It helps prevent and heal any issues. This kit provides complete protection for your dog's paws and nose. It helps heal cracked paws and offers comfort. It's perfect for keeping your furry friend happy and healthy. The kit comes with a travel storage bag, perfect for pet owners on the go. You can easily store all the products in the bag, making it lightweight and portable. It solves storage and travel troubles. What we like. This kit includes a waterless paw cleaner, a paw balm, a towel, and a travel bag. The cleaner uses natural ingredients to keep your pet's paws clean and healthy. If you are looking for a convenient all-in-one solution for paw care, this kit is a great choice for you. What people say. The Leopong kit makes the process so easy. You just add a little water, gently place your pup's paw inside, twist a few times, and the soft silicone bristles do all the work. The cleaner is sturdy but lightweight, and it's easy to rinse out after each use. This paw cleaner was a lifesaver during rainy season when our backyard was muddy. It's easy to use, unscented, and gentle on my dog's paws. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.